Excellence in civil construction. Project value from $30 to $75 million. Ertech Geomarine joint venture. AMC1 Wharf extension and new Finger Wharf project. Ertech and sister company Geomarine leveraged their combined in-house capabilities to plan, design and construct a 153-metre wharf extension and berth pocket deepening, new substation and services building, and upgrades to the power, firewater, potable water and sewer systems. The works were adjacent to an existing operational wharf. In addition, a new Finger Wharf was designed for the proposed berths 7 and 8. The JV worked almost exclusively with land-based plant, saving plant costs and reducing the productivity risk from variable sea conditions. Eliminating the need for a piling vessel also eliminated interface risk with shipping movements. The design of a composite precast in situ concrete wharf deck avoided complex suspended falsework and formwork. New West Alliance. BP KWOL Pipeline Relocation Project. The fuel pipeline from BP's Kwinana Refinery to Perth Airport was relocated to make way for the new Thornley-Coburn link. This required 11.5 kilometres of horizontal directional drilling, including 7 crossings over 1 kilometre in length, each at a depth of 25 metres within a narrow corridor and often near residential properties. It was one of the largest continuous HDD campaigns ever completed in Australia, involving 12 months of drilling with up to 3 250-tonne rigs. The work also included 2 50-metre micro-tunnelled crossings of operational rail lines and the installation of a truss bridge over the environmentally and culturally sensitive Canning River. The Alliance's unwavering focus on technical excellence and best practice resulted in a relocation that exceeded the client's expectations. Monford, Centre for National Resilience. The centre was developed at the height of the pandemic as part of a coordinated national approach to address Australia's critical need for a purpose-built quarantine facility. As a major works contractor for the $200 million 500-bed centre, Monford delivered the bulk earthworks, in-ground services, civil works and roads and formwork structures. The schedule for Monford's 3 work packages was 6 months, which posed challenges with borders being closed and COVID cases peaking. To manage potential delays, Monford conducted a comprehensive risk assessment at the project outset and developed contingency plans. The project schedule was regularly reviewed and updated to identify potential bottlenecks and make timely adjustments. This attention to detail allowed Monford to complete its entire scope of works within the 6-month schedule. Whittens, Iron Bridge Project Earthworks and Concrete, Port, Concentrate Handling Facility and Concentrate Diversion Pond. Whittens self-delivered over 320,000 cubic metres of earthworks and 10,700 cubic metres of concrete and managed a multitude of specialist subcontractors. Whittens overcame the challenges of completing critical works during the pandemic through detailed planning and efficient execution. During the tender process, Whittens identified cost savings could be achieved through smarter scheduling, efficient methodologies and the use of alternative materials. Whittens' project team had a clear understanding of FMG's objectives and maintained open communication while creating a positive atmosphere. Through early identification of project risks, Whittens anticipated necessary actions and mitigation measures, reducing costs and avoiding disruptions. SRG Global, Mardie Salt and Potash Project Earthworks. ECI Minerals' Mardie Salt and Potash Project is the largest solar salt project in Australia. The project presented challenges and complexities due to its sheer scale, requiring extensive haul distances and the highly variable ground conditions. The topography was also challenging, with low-lying mud and salt flats prone to severe cyclonic flooding and frequent ocean inundation. SRG Global initially constructed a large-scale trial pond to build up pricing and delivery methodology while assessing value for money, then delivered 3 ponds covering about 24 square kilometres in total, which will hold some 40 gigalitres of seawater. The team constructed a 26-kilometre seawall to protect future work areas. All works were scheduled around tidal movement, with only about 3 to 4 hours available per day in tidal zones.